Hi, there is just way too much to watch, too much to talk about right now, है ना? पर in an attempt to watch the best stuff, you end up spending आधा घंटा सिर्फ staring at your TV और या तो husband wife से लड़ाई करके आपस में बैठ जाते हो या eventually हार के friends का कोई 50 बार देखा हुआ एपिसोड दोबारा लगा लेते हो। Luckily for you, मैंने अपना चैनल खोला हुआ है जहां सिर्फ ये पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए पूरा नया शो स्टार्ट हो चुका है। Presenting Relation में Recommendation, a series where I will hold your hand and provide guidance. Don't trust me with your money, your dog or the latest gossip even, पर these recommendations भरोसा रखो। In this first episode, brought to you by And Prive, let's tackle two genres, crime thriller and family के साथ देखने वाली comedy. Why And Prive? Because the Prive World Box Office is bringing to you must-watch movies from around the world in 10 different languages. जो है तो foreign films, लेकिन उनकी familiar themes and genres, they make them mega entertaining and promise to make you feel at home no matter the language. More video के end में. Number 1. If you've recently been watching crime, suspense, mystery thrillers like Girl on the Train, I Care a Lot, Drishyam 2, you've binged on Lupin and suddenly दिल में ऐसे ना Gangs of Wasseypur जाग उठा। You want more crime thrillers, लेकिन कुछ बचा नहीं है देखने के लिए या समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो this one is for you. And Prive is airing a Mandarin language Chinese film, Wild Goose Lake, every night at 9 p.m. this entire week. Watch it wherever you are in the country till the upcoming Thursday at 9 p.m. This Palme d'Or nominated neo-noir film set in pre-pandemic Wuhan is frankly one of the most riveting works of cinema I have watched recently. Directed by Berlin International Film Festival's Golden Bear winner Diao Yanan, The Wild Goose Lake is not for the queasy. But if you're in the mood for some nighttime crime shot through rain, falling in dirty alleys lit up by neon city lights, the movie will leave you completely satisfied. There are rival street gangs, okay, जो mainly motorcycle चुराते हैं Wuhan में. They would live and die for their gang members. They refer to each other as family. The film follows two protagonists, Zhu Zinong and Lu Ai, who meet on a dark night at a train station and they tell each other their stories in elaborate, gruesome and graphic flashback sequences, crisscrossing in ways which will make you forget the line between right and wrong, good and evil. Under the graphic action sequences and cinematographer Dong Jinsong's astounding cinematography, the film is a gangster's existential crisis. A man who's come to realize the very profession which made him feel all powerful is leading him to an early death. Throughout the film, usko pata hai he's close to that moment, but he's trying to delay it to have a chance to do right by his family before resigning to his ultimate fate. His unlikely confidant and only ray of hope, a sex worker broken and haunted by her own demons, is more invested in helping him and his family than she should be. Lekin, why? You know, if you're a fan of films like Uncut Gems, Darren Aronofsky's Requiem for a Dream, where the anxiety just builds up to reach a crescendo and then the climax explodes onto your screen, and you're looking to test your threshold, invest your time in The Wild Goose Lake. It's so good. So good. Watch this film this entire week only on And Prive at 9 p.m. My favorite scene, literally the first scene of the film, when you meet Zhu Zinong and Lu Ai. The framing is just exquisite. Surrender to the visual language and the Mandarin घुस जाओ scene में. It's superlative. Number 2. Now, to take a dramatic U-turn towards comedy you can watch with the family, kids and everyone, particularly if you enjoyed the new release Moxie, a film addressing raising children in today's complicated world, my relation mein recommendation is Father, There Is Only One or Padre Nohe Mas Que Uno. I apologize for the mispronunciations throughout this video. You can watch this one on And Prive starting 26th March wala Friday each night for a whole week again at 9 p.m. This movie is very funny. Here in Padre, director Santiago Segura also stars as the hapless father Javier, who's so involved in his job as a computer scientist, he entirely fails to see the hard work his wife has put into not just their marriage of the last 15 years, but also the 5 children they are raising together. When he stupidly insists that he can do it on his own, the wife, played by my new personal style icon, the Spanish actress Tuni Acosta, goes away for a week to Cancun and Javier is left to fend for himself. What follows is a predictable but hilarious turn of events where Javier learns not just that he is not father of the year, but also despite loving his children very, very much, he has no idea how to deal with any of them. The movie is instantly comforting from the first scene, like discovering a leftover Christmas present you'd forgotten you had. Despite following a story structure you've seen in various films about men trying to raise children on their own to hilarious consequences, this film is packed with jokes, one-liners, and clever moments, keeping the proceedings very fresh and relatable. A teenager who wants to be a YouTuber/TikToker, a preteen who's all about feminism, a younger daughter who wants to be on a Little Miss Sunshine like talent show, a little son who's trying to make money by selling his loose teeth to the tooth fairy, and an even younger daughter who refuses to eat, sleep, change clothes, or follow instruction in any way. It's chaos. Santiago Segura takes this hot mess, adds a bunch of adults and many WhatsApp mom groups to create an experience enjoyable like an indulgent, stress-free Sunday breakfast. There's lots of ham and cheese and syrupy goodness, gratifying and rewarding, like only ham, cheese and syrup can be. I tremendously enjoyed this film's commitment to its quick one-liners. For instance, when Javier gets a call from his young son's school about him having gotten into a fight, and Javier then looks at his coworker and says, "What is this, an American film?" It's already funny. But when the coworker replies with, "We've been acting stupid since we started celebrating Halloween," now that is dedication to providing entertainment, commentary on cookie cutter Hollywood movies, and something to think about. Watch Padre No Hay Mas Que Uno on Anne Privé starting Friday 26th March at 9 p.m. Favorite scene: Javier tries to win back the children's caretaker before his wife comes back from Cancun because he's realized he's utterly incompetent. He decides to do so by hiring a mariachi band and serenading Rosaura under her window like she's a heroine in a Hollywood rom-com. It's such a silly moment, but filled with so much desperate sincerity, even the coldest of hearts will melt. Now, let me tell you more about Privé World Box Office. Here, you will get movies that saw success in their country of origin, many genres, and something for everyone, no matter what your interest is. Har Friday, दुनिया देखने का मौका with a new foreign language movie at 9 p.m. जो चलेगी every night at 9 p.m. until next Thursday, giving you 7 opportunities to watch, एक दिन अगर miss भी हो जाए तो. If you wanted to explore foreign language movies but don't know where to start, World Box Office is here to fulfill that wish. So, listen, there you have it, a new series on the channel. What? Relation में recommendation, which I'm hoping to bring to you more of. लेकिन उसके लिए subscribe to the channel, click on the little bell for notifications anytime I release a new video. Thanks!